Unit 9. Do you have a grandparent who does things for you? Let's read about the granny in this poem. Granny, granny, please comb my hair. Granny, granny, please comb my hair. You always take your time. You always take such care. You put me to sit on a cushion between your knees. You rub a little coconut oil, parting gentle as a breeze. Granny, you have all the time in the world, and when you are finished, you always turn my head and say, "Now, who is a nice girl?" Grace Nichols. New words: care, cushion, knees, gentle, breeze, world, nice. Reading is fun. What does the little girl want her granny to do? What does granny rub on her hair? Does the little girl love her granny? Let's talk. Do your grandparents live with you? Do you spend some time with them? How do you help them? Let's share. What do you call grandmother in your language? What do you call grandfather in your language? Do you know any old people? Can you name them? How can you make them happy? Discuss with your class. Have you ever gone out with your grandparents? Granny college machira. Do you have a grandparent who does things for you? Kirala ani bobo momo kanu US kogi kirala da legado chejra kirala di shambuchi da di chiyeji US. Let's read about the granny in this poem. Tangzo gi kare momo la shigi kola di ninga da la way das granny le the grandmother gi dushakyur ta si dushakyura granny. Granny, granny, please comb my hair. The Joshad Cardo, Mumola, Nigitala, Jushijarista Kuchila. The granny, ra Mumolas. Please comb my hair. And Kuchi Nitala, Jushigarachis. You always take your time. You kadune to Kirana Tuzudi, Lingire led the Tuzi Calore. Tizu yobasha kora morana momokera kadune tizu yures dinashigi goyo mache che lule che tredisha kochura. You always take such care dinashikiragi kadune ngan ndegi chamjong chigires ra. You put me to sit on a cushion kyoinga khajire ani cushion lana ani den rojura den sopsoro dendela cushion ra denish kala shagres between your knees dia khara yore korangi Kambani Baradla Shagres. Nila Zamala the Pemunila Natitra. You rub a little coconut oil. Nikyogi Kare, Pubutanga, Rablana, Nikasa, coconut yura, digi, numtis cheek, and purgires. Party gently as a breeze. Then a party lana yachata and yachita. Lazamba, then the Kandiro Chilana, pay gentlelana champ, chambuchin Laura. Jambushin chires, dear jambu candiro, but lung national, lung jambu's leon, the bracelet, the lung jambu, tongue series leo, the digital bracelet. The dinner shingi, jambu chires, granny, la mumolas, you have all the time in the world. Kerala, that zamni to just how much Kerala yuris, the pale and telaming kora. And when you are finished, the nekirani tajilas, sadus, you always turn my head and say, and kirangi kadini good instant kyochera, korangi go la ojudera than such jogres and labres. Now, who is a nice girl? Ta su ni puyakushires, puyakusure lejra, the division lagres, that again the Grace Nichols. New words. The net sister nala care lana chamjong, cushion lana desadil, ra den the nila kochura. Mat lazambala bedi the kambachisa the day tutter than the matra. Cushion lazambati so yakira. Miras the gomgia do zambatilla. This so shahita the dilla cushion ra. Knees lana pemoch, general lana jambuch, breeze lana dung jambuch liga dish, world lana zamli, nice lana yapo. reading is fun. The lawyer the two is. What does the little girl want her granny to do? Koran and puchin judi, promotion judi, Koran ye, and Momodilla, Karichi junior is. Her to do. Little girl want her Moraye, Momodilla, Karichi junior, Koran, Yushia junior is. The little girl wants her granny to comb her hair. What does granny rub on her hair? Koran Moran Taganla Momo Kari Puputangrela na coconut number. Granny rubs coconut oil on her hair. Does the little girl love her granny? Ani puchinju di morangi mumolala gauchi relana? Yes. Sewayorelana? Yes. The little girl loves her granny. That loves land. Ora jidang tadawati. Does the match. Let's talk. Do your grandparents live with you? Kiram bobo mumo kiran yamdala dius. Yamdala diorwa. Diuna? Yes. My grandparents live with parents lasara. Lives match. Parents live with me. Mina, no, my grandparents do not live with me. Do you spend some time with them? Yes, I spend some time with them. No, I don't spend some time with them. Don't spend time. How do you help them? I help them to carry chairs. Let's share. What do you call grandmother in your language? What do you call grandfather in your language? Do you know any old people? Can you name them? How can you make them happy? Discuss with your class. Have you ever gone out with your grandparents? Yes, I have gone out with my grandparents.